Ziyambi says no to secret bill voting in parliament as fear grows that MPs might reject Cap 3. It is said MPs are supporting Chiwenga. Zanapenda mashoko kubuda pangwa ino kunyaso kubuda pachina kunze ma members of parliament arunyaso kunga kunze arunyaona kuti Chiwenga anenge ane plan, Chiwenga anenge ane chikumutso panguwa ino achiona kuti akusapota wakomana vezvigananda wakomana Cap 3 tichingopedza nguwasapota noko pamavotes they can turn around against us. Zanapenda mashoko kubuda nyuko achinzi Zanu PF threatens my MPs. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panguwa ino mubuda nyuko mchinzi. A video of Justice Minister Ziyambi rejecting secret voting in Parliament for Cap 3 is trending on social media. First, they rejected a referendum. Now they are rejecting MPs' right to vote in secret. It is clear that this bill is not supported by the people, yet it is being forced on them using intimidation, money, and fear. Imagine. They spend hundreds of millions of dollars trying to bribe MPs, but they are still not convinced that the MPs will vote for it. This is a threat to our independence. Some say Ziyambi should be taken to court for this, and others say his actions might trigger an uprising. It is believed that many MPs are supporting VP Chiwenga. Ziyambi's rejection of the secret ballot is seen as evidence that Chiwenga has strong support in Parliament and the Senate. Doma developments ari kuda panguwa ino kunyangwe zvigananda zvazvo zvichimboomesera Chiwenga nekuratidza kuti avamufariri and the likes, but panguwa ino vonyaso kuona kunzi that same person they are against, that same person wanenge vachishudzira kuti dai ava eliminated is the same person ari kuonekwa kunzi veruzhinji vari kutomufarira despite the fact ekuti they are spending millions, hundreds of thousands, vehicles, properties and the likes vachipa MPs. They are still not convinced to understand or to believe that these MPs vari kuside kwavo, but vachiri kutori madoubts, vachiri kutoti aiwa togona kuparuza. Mbodzi mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Ina comment section menu za mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.